put this one out for my kids, especially you, Hope, or you party animal. Dan's in-body experience here. Let's do it.
This guy doesn't do it.
Hi, little scrawny kitty cat. They don't feed you, do they? Bless its heart, it's so hungry. Here, Hope, I got this just for you, Hope. Hope, hey, look at this cat. Kiki. Hi, baby. Look at that cat. Look at his belly. No wonder she's over here at the pigs.
You need to build something like this for Kay.
I know, she'd love it. Hope he would go crazy. She would. Bunnies.
What is this?
Fat bunnies, they don't think they starve either. That's that silky feeling
Yeah,
chicken.
it's a silky chicken.
Yep.
She's laying on
And them are feathers, they said.
Oh, she's on eggs.
Really?
Look at the
I'm gonna look at the little fat piggy again. The kids like this little fat, or the little baby
You
pig.
give her a belly rub, she'll fall over. There's like a certain little area you hit, and she just falls right over.
Come here. Come on. I don't think she's jiving my belly right. I try to rub my wife's belly too, and she does the same thing. And this vlog's done.